And 3, 2, 1.
You're a Minifigure, come on, give us a wave. Look, you're a Minifigure, come on, give us a wave.
So with this experience, we're putting guests at the heart of the experience in a world's first, and we're using specialist tracking technology throughout the attraction to turn guests into real-life, life-size Lego minifigures.
This is the first time in a Lego park that there will be a ride which has an ADA vehicle which is capable to carry a wheelchair. And beside this, it's very special that in this ride, it doesn't mean that the capacity will slow down when an ADA vehicle has to be loaded. There will be a special track for the ADA vehicle, and there will be a swap of the vehicles which the other guests will not notice. That's the specialty of this typical ride.
LEGOLAND New York Resort is opening July 4th in 2020. It'll be the largest LEGOLAND park ever built with 150 acres, located in Hudson Valley, just 60 miles from Manhattan. It's geared towards families with children ages 2 to 12, has more than 50 rides, shows, and attractions, and we are the first major theme park to open in the Northeast in decades. We're excited to bring LEGO Factory Adventure to our guests when we open in 2020.